So we're back. Firebird just came into another issue after we fixed the misfire. Idle tensioner just fucked up, blew itself up, now kaboom. So, in order to remove the battery, this one has been converted to the top posts because battery was cheaper for me. If I just converted it to a top post, I save myself like $100. So basically, you just gotta do like any other top post. Just always remember negative first. Oh, you need this like this. I'm retarded. But negative first, positive last. Always. All right. Now, since we just removed the battery, now we can remove the alternator. But before we remove it, we gotta go and release the tension and remove the belt. So, okay, here you go. You see one of the fittings coming from here down to here. And then there should be one somewhere in the back right here. I feel it right here. Goes in there. So, I think, is it just this one bolt right here? And the whole thing comes out? Maybe. One's out. This one's out right here. Okay, so if we go down here, there's one right here. And then one right here. So let's get those out. Alright, we got the idle tensioner out. There's these two hoses. I mean, not hoses, but like fittings, you know? So, these are the direct replacements. And you get a metal one instead of the plastic shit. So, before you even put these in, you must lube them up with oil. I have a little bit of oil I can use. So just lube up the O-rings right here and here. It should be sweet, but I forgot to drain the coolant, so I have a fucking flood down here that's being taken care of. But I mean, I don't care right now, as long as if it's on the engine, I don't really care. Alright guys, so I'm in the middle of editing and I just want to let you know, please drain your coolant before you go get started on this. Because all the coolant has just poured all over my pulley and my belts, that it just ruined it. Alright, so now bolts are in. Just gotta connect the heater core hoses onto this. Obviously, it's set up so you don't fucking forget which one goes on which, because one's way shorter than the other. So just bada bing. Now put this shit back on. Come on, fucking go on. And then just clips on. And just put the cap over. Yeah, fucking sweet. Oh my god. Oh shit. Well, I guess that was supposed to happen either ways. Old, brittle, trash. I don't think it's gonna come out like this. I think it's fine. I mean, we're gonna find out later. Shit. So now, heater core is on. It's time to put on the alternator and then belt, and then we can start this bitch up. Oh yeah, also battery, obviously. Stupid. You hear this tension, right? Well, it is not because it's a new tensioner. It's because, remember when I spilled all the coolant? Well, the coolant got on my pulley system, and now it's spread all over, and all my pulleys are squeaking. So now, best case scenario, best thing I gotta do basically, just go wait a day or two for it to dry out. Or I drive it so it heats up and evaporates like that. It's either one. But yeah, that's why it's squeaky right now. Wondering why is it squeaking? Because I spilled coolant on there. That's why you're not supposed to skip that one step that I skipped, which was drain coolant. So I would appreciate if you like and subscribe.